Pi Network has just crossed one of the biggest milestones in its entire history, something that many people thought would take years, or maybe never happen at all. After achieving full compliance with European crypto asset regulations under MiCA, the doors to the European market have officially opened, and the impact is already being felt. Since the approval, Pi's price has surged by double digits, climbing sharply as investors rush in. This isn't rumor, this isn't hype, and it's definitely not another empty promise that leads nowhere. We're watching real money move into the ecosystem, we're seeing whales accumulate millions of tokens, and we're witnessing major exchanges prepare to list Pi now that regulatory barriers have been removed. Even more importantly, the decentralized exchange Mainnet is finally live, which means real trading, real liquidity, and real price discovery are happening in real time. For anyone who has been feeling discouraged or tired of waiting, this moment should reignite your belief in what you've been building. Pioneers who stayed patient are now standing at the edge of a financial shift that is far bigger than most expected. But before we get deeper into the details, make sure you follow my Telegram and Facebook pages, because that's where I deliver breaking updates the exact moment they happen. If you want the news early, that's where you'll find it. After you follow, come right back, because what's unfolding now will reshape your understanding of Pi's future. Over the past few years, millions of pioneers around the world kept tapping, kept validating, and kept supporting the network even as the progress felt slow and the criticism grew louder. What many people didn't understand was that the waiting period wasn't a setback, it was a necessary stage. Pi's core team always emphasized accessibility, fairness, and long-term stability. They envisioned a cryptocurrency that anyone could mine, regardless of technical skill or economic background. And that vision is now stepping into the global economy with real-world momentum behind it. Mining Pi has always been different from traditional crypto. You didn't need expensive hardware, you didn't need a powerful computer, and you didn't need to consume massive amounts of energy. All you had to do was prove you're a real human and contribute to the network security through a lightweight, eco-friendly approach. This attracted a user base unlike any other, a community made up of everyday people rather than wealthy investors or hardcore miners. For years, Pi existed within an enclosed ecosystem, not because it wasn't ready, but because the foundation had to be solid before opening the doors to the world. Many people criticized the slow rollout, yet that caution is exactly why Pi avoided the reckless speculation that destroys so many new coins. Now, for the first time, Pi's digital economy is being revealed to the global market. The decentralized exchange Mainnet marks a turning point. With it, Pi shifts from a closed network into a fully active marketplace where real buying and selling can happen. A DEX gives users control over their trades without relying on centralized authorities, and it also brings transparency to pricing. Until now, Pi's value was mostly theoretical, based on speculation and community expectations. But with a live DX, price discovery is finally real. Supply and demand can interact naturally, allowing the market itself to determine Pi's true worth. Businesses that want to accept Pi as payment now have a reliable reference point for pricing goods and services. It transforms Pi into a genuine tradable asset rather than a future promise. This change couldn't have come at a more powerful time. Right as the Mainnet went live, Europe, one of the largest financial zones in the world, opened its doors through regulatory approval. Pi becoming compliant with MiCA is an extraordinary achievement. It grants Pi official recognition as a regulated digital asset across the European Union, a level of legitimacy that many cryptocurrencies still do not have. This approval removes the biggest obstacle that kept institutional investors from entering the Pi ecosystem. Suddenly, large investment firms, financial institutions, and major exchanges are allowed to participate confidently because the legal uncertainties are gone. The impact was immediate. Pi's price jumped, volume surged, and market sentiment shifted almost overnight. Analysts noticed strong support forming at key price levels, and technical indicators began to show heavy accumulation by whales, investors with deep pockets who don't put money into assets unless they see long-term potential. These players aren't buying based on hype. They're positioning themselves early before the European liquidity wave expands even further. Large financial entities don't invest a few $1,000s, they move millions, sometimes billions, when they see a stable and compliant environment. The Pi market, which has operated like a small pond for years, is about to experience the impact of an ocean pouring in. This kind of liquidity deepens the market, stabilizes price swings, and ensures Pi can operate at a global scale. It's the beginning of a new chapter where the world finally sees Pi as more than a mobile mining experiment. At the same time, price movements will still require patience. Even though Pi broke through important resistance levels, and even though confidence is rising, big developments unfold gradually. Long-term success depends not just on regulation but on real adoption, businesses using Pi, developers building dApps, and pioneers participating actively in the ecosystem. European capital is a huge step, but it's one piece of a larger puzzle that is now coming together. My honest perspective is this: MiCA compliance places Pi ahead of most unregulated crypto projects. Whale accumulation shows growing confidence from major players. The DX mainnet unlocks real trading and market transparency. And the massive user base gives Pi an advantage that no competitor can easily replicate. But even with all this momentum, responsible expectations are important. Pi is still developing, and like any major crypto project, it will grow in stages. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, and always stay informed through official updates. If this breakdown helped you understand what's really happening, make sure to hit that like button. Share your thoughts in the comments. Are you excited about the European liquidity entering Pi? Are you optimistic about what comes next? Subscribe and turn on notifications because the next several weeks will bring updates you do not want to miss. And don't forget to follow my Telegram and Facebook pages for faster updates and exclusive analysis. This is your moment, pioneers. After years of waiting, the world is finally catching up to what you believed in all along. Your patience is starting to pay off, and the next chapter of Pi Network is about to be the most exciting one yet. See you in the next video with more breaking developments.